In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove trade hold 15 days on Steam. If you've ever tried to trade items and hit a long trade hold, don't worry, this walkthrough will help you set things up correctly so those holds are minimized and your account stays secure. Start by opening the Steam app and signing into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top left and click the Steam menu. From there, open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Security tab. This is where Steam centralizes your protection tools, and it's also where trading permissions are managed behind the scenes. Click Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is the extra layer of security that unlocks full trading and community market access. Make sure Steam Guard is turned on and working. If you use the mobile authenticator, that's the best option for faster trading, because it confirms you're really the one approving each action. A quick but important note about timing: if you recently changed your password or you just added the mobile authenticator, Steam applies a 5-day trade restriction as a security precaution. That's normal and cannot be skipped. Also, even with Steam Guard active, trades made within the first 7 days of adding the mobile authenticator can be placed on hold for up to 15 days. This is Steam's way of protecting your items while your authenticator settles in. The key is to keep your setup stable during this period. Avoid changing your password again, don't remove the authenticator, and leave your account details as is so the timer isn't reset. Next, double-check that your email and phone number are verified on your Steam account. Verified contact details reduce delays and help confirm your identity during trades. If anything shows as unverified, complete those verifications before you continue trading to avoid unnecessary holds. When you've confirmed everything, Steam Guard is active, your contact information is verified, and you understand the timing rules, close and reopen the Steam client. This refresh makes sure your security changes are recognized across the app. From here, it's largely about patience and consistency. Keep the mobile authenticator active, stay signed in on your trusted device, and avoid account changes during the first week. Once that initial window has passed, your trade holds should drop to the standard short confirmations, and you'll be able to trade and use the community market with fewer interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.